The DuraPost commercial steel fence post provides superior strength and is perfect for residential or commercial fencing projects. Made from 2.5mm galvanized steel, compared to the 1.5mm thickness classic DuraPost, the patented design provides a high strength-to-weight ratio commercial fencing solution. It's available in 5 sizes: 5 meters, 4 meters, 3.4 meters, 3 meters and 2.4 meters. In stock in galvanized and anthracite, and also available in sepia brown and olive grey. And to keep your corporate identity, we can coat in any rail colour to special order. Cross rails fit directly between the posts, allowing you to quickly and easily install whichever kind of fence is required. Many fencing systems can be used with the commercial post, such as wood panel fences, acoustic panels, pre-assembled and build-on-site fencing, or composite fencing systems such as DuraPost urban fence boards. Commercial DuraPosts are very versatile. For specific applications and designs, including structural property drawings and retainment applications, contact our commercial team. Accessories for DuraPost Commercial include a bolt down for fixing into hard surfaces such as concrete, and a colour-matched post cap which fits directly onto the post. Sustainability. We build to maintain the status quo with materials which can be recycled. Eco-friendly. We build with the minimum environmental impact. Durability. We build to last longer. And flexibility. We build products that can be configured in multiple ways.